The National Weather Service in Berat has issued a tornado warning for Gjirokastra County in northeastern Albania, Shkodra County in northeastern Albania, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Saving Time. At 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Saving Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mali I Timorit, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Durrës, Fier, Shkodër, Prishtina, Vlora, Lushnje, Gjiri I Lalazit, North Macedonia, Podgorica, Tirana, Rome, Italy, South Macedonia, Dibër, Elbasan, Kukës, and Korçë. Precautionary, preparedness actions. Take shelter now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency, who will relay your report to the National Weather Service Europe.